Ever scrolled through social media and seen people screaming buy the dip or flexing their insane gains on Tesla or NVIDIA? And you wondered, what exactly are they buying? Is it magic? Is it a casino? Today we're diving deep into the world of stocks, what they are, how they work, and why people get so crazy and rich from them. Simply put, a stock represents ownership. Imagine your favorite company is a giant chocolate cake. If you cut that cake into millions of slices, each slice is a share. When you buy a share, you're basically saying, I'll take that slice of the company, please. Now, if a company had only 10 shares total, and you bought 5, you'd own half the company. You could literally walk into the HQ and put your feet on the CEO's desk. In reality, you own a microscopic piece, maybe 0.0001%. But hey, technically, you own a part of the chairs, the buildings, and most importantly, the profits. But why would a company sell pieces of itself to strangers? Money. Growing a business is expensive. Factories, products, expansion, it costs millions. They have two choices. Option A, ask a bank for a loan. The problem is banks charge interest, and if you don't pay, they break your legs, metaphorically. Option B, an IPO, initial public offering. They sell shares. They get cash from investors to grow, and they never have to pay it back as debt. It's debt-free fuel. Let's break this down with Maya and her sneaker store, Fresh Kicks. Maya needs $100,000 to start, but she only has $50,000 under her mattress. Instead of a loan, she splits her business into 10 imaginary shares. She keeps 5 her 50K and sells the other 5 for $10,000 each. Enter Jordan, a sneakerhead. He believes in Maya. He buys one share for $10,000. Jordan now owns 10% of Fresh Kicks. His money helps Maya buy inventory. Fast forward 5 years. Fresh Kicks is crushing it. They have 3 locations. The business that was worth $100,000 is now valued at $300,000. Remember Jordan's 10K? Since he owns 10% of a $300K company, his slice is now worth $30,000. If he sells his share to someone else, he makes a clean $20,000 profit. That is success. But watch out, it's not always sunshine. Let's say there was a scandal. Maya's shoes fall apart when you walk. Nobody buys. The company value drops to $80,000. Jordan's share is now only worth $8,000. He lost $2,000. That's the game. Risk and reward. So why does the price change every second on your screen? Supply and demand. It's a giant auction. If news breaks that Maya is releasing flying shoes, everyone wants to buy. Low supply plus high demand equals the price goes up. If news breaks that the CEO got arrested, everyone wants to sell. High supply plus low demand equals the price crashes. Where do you buy these? The stock exchange. It's like a supermarket for companies. NYSE, NASDAQ. These days you just buy from your phone while sitting on the toilet. But wait, not all stocks are equal. There's common and preferred. Think of it like an exclusive party. Common stock, it's general admission. You get to vote on the music, the board of directors. High potential for fun. But if the drinks run out, bankruptcy, you are the last to get served, or you have to clean up. Preferred stock, it's the VIP section. You can't choose the music, no voting, boring. But you get free drinks guaranteed, dividends. You get paid before the others. Less risk, less crazy. Why risk it instead of keeping cash safe in the bank? 2 reasons. Inflation and growth. The bank gives you crumbs. Meanwhile, inflation eats your savings like a silent termite. Stocks historically return way more 7 to 10%. Beating the monster. Just remember the golden rule. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you only buy Maya's stock and she goes bankrupt, you lose everything. The solution? Buy a bit of everything. Sneakers, tech, food, energy. If one basket drops, you have the others. Helpful? Hit like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what financial topic confuses you next. See you in the next one.